Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify issues. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will enter to the window of Spotify and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click on storage. Here we click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can make errors or problems on your app. And after that you can go to Play Store. If you will find your update, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.